Yo, YouTube fam, what is up? So, I just misplaced my AirPod 2s, and I'm tired of spending top dollar every time I lose them, and it happens fairly often. And I'm sure it's a problem a lot of people face with the AirPods. They don't lodge really well in my ear. They don't sit too well, but maybe I should consider getting something else. But in the meantime, I've got a friend who turned me on to these particular clones, and they're super clones. I'm sure people have known about clones for a while, but this particular one is kind of like the original. And the original copy of the AirPod 2s. They call it a super clone, one for one or one to one copy. It is on AliExpress, which is a spin off of Alibaba. So it is a reputable site. This particular store, Choco Z Store, has had 606 orders of this particular super clone, and I will probably be the 607th order because I need them, and I'm not spending the whatever $180 or $200 or whatever it is these days for the AirPod 2s. This is more than half off. And it's set to be like an identical copy. In fact, if you wanted to check the reviews on YouTube, there's several guys that have posted a video on this. So just search for super copy one to one AirPod 2s, etc., and you'll come up across a few reviews on this. But basically, this is like an identical copy according to the reviews, the hands-on reviews. It has the smart sense, so in-ear detection. You put in the headphones, it starts the music. If you take them off, it pauses it. It's got all the pop-up detection, so as soon as you pop open the flap, it pairs with your iPhone in real time. It's got all the battery indicators of both the earpods themselves and the case. You can use the left to right earphone individually. They're like controlled separately. It's got the tapping features, so you can, tap 3 times to get to the previous song on the left earphone. If you do it on the right, you can get to the next track. You can also call Siri with two taps on the left earphone. So all the directions are down there. It's got everything that you really want, and what we've all loved the AirPods for, but it's like half the price. So I just wanted to turn this on to others that might benefit from this. Since I've got a buddy who shared this with me, I thought it made sense to try and save you all some money as well. But once I get this, maybe I'll do a review. But if you wanted it, like I said, if you wanted to see it today, you can certainly search for it on YouTube, and you'll come across several reviews, hands-on reviews. And if you want to see one of the reviews, once these come in for me, give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment, like the video, and maybe I can do one of a review once I get them in. Well, that's all on this one. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you on the next one.